why I use Google Notes. So Google Notes is free. It's connected to your Google account. It's like any other note application. You'll load it up. You can give that note a title. So it's like any other normal note application. I can hit this plus. I can take a photo. I can add a photo, choose an image. I can do drawings, voice recordings. I can do check boxes, color code it, and then you'll see labels. So labels are ways to index. So I can click on label. These are all my different labels: Video Ideals, Comcast Drones, so forth. Or, and here's the special thing. If you hit hashtag, your labels come up. So if I hashtag this YouTube, it automatically fills it in. I don't need to press save or anything. You can also set an alarm. Pick a date and a time or a place. You can also hit the thumbtack, which will put it to the top. There you go. Enjoy.